Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change IP address Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to see IP address Windows 11 from settings. To start, press Start and open Settings. After this, in Network and Internet, click on your current connection. You can see the IP address in the IPv4 address line. Chapter 2. How to see IP address Windows 11 from Control Panel. To start, enter View in the search box. Open View Network Connections. Here, right-click on the network adapter and select the Status option. Click on the Details button to access the IP address. Chapter 3. How to see IP address Windows 11 from Terminal. You are going to open the Command Prompt console from the search box. There, run the ipconfig command to see the IP address used on your system. Chapter 4. How to change IP address Windows 11 from network adapter. To get started, enter View in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. After this, right-click on the network adapter and click on Properties. You are going to select the line Enable Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. In this new window, activate the box. Use the following IP address. Fill in all the address, gateway, and server details. Apply these changes. When you do, open the Command Prompt console. There, with the ipconfig command, you can validate that the IP has been updated. Chapter 5. How to change IP address Windows 11 from settings. We open Settings from the Start menu. In the Network and Internet section, click on your current network. Now in the IP assignment field, click Edit. In this window, in the drop-down field, select Manual. Activate the IPv4 switch. Complete the address information to use. Click Save to confirm the change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.